Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Bhutanese counterpart Shewing Tobgay inaugurated the Gwalsing Chetsunpema Mother and Child Hospital, a state-of-the-art hospital in Thimphu today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has strongly condemned the heinous terrorist attack in Moscow. As a sign of mourning and grief for the victims of the terrorist attack in Moscow, the Russian national flag is flying half-mast at the Russian embassy in New Delhi. India's robust economic performance stands out amid sluggish global growth, according to the monthly economic review report from the Department of Economic Affairs, Ministry of Finance. Defending IPL champion Chennai Super Kings beat Royal Challengers Bangalore by 6 wickets in the inaugural match of the 17th edition in Chennai yesterday.